We're indulging in the rich flavors of Germany, even though this is stop number 22 of my 50 video series, making all the state desserts of America. So let me know what state you think has Pfeffernusse or peppernuts as the state dessert. The full recipe is linked in the description, so go check that out. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can join me every week for my new recipes.
So we're going to start out with softened unsalted butter and brown sugar that we cream together for a few minutes before we add in a room temperature egg. And now the spice blend is white pepper, aniseed, cinnamon, clove, and ginger, along with baking soda and salt. These are very spicy cookies, so they use a lot, but it's really good. We add those in and then mix in our all-purpose flour, and that is it for this dough. It's really simple. You just want to collect it into a disc about an inch thick, wrap it tightly with plastic, and chill it for at least 30 minutes, but you can chill it for up to a day before, so if you want to make these in advance, it's great for that. Work with small pieces of dough, rolling them into ropes, and then cutting them into small nut-sized pieces. That's where the name comes, peppernuts. Love that. So you just put them on a sheet with parchment, bake them for only about 10 minutes. They'll crisp up really nicely as they cool, and these can actually be stored for up to a month in an airtight container. So these are really great.
I love how easy these are, and these are so fun. I mean, they are the size of nuts, honestly. So we love nuts, and they're so good. Like, these are easy to just toss back. These are a snack food for sure. They get a nice crunch to them after they cool all the way. Really spicy, lots of flavor, delicious. And in case you got it right, this is apparently the state dessert for Kansas. So the more you know. Once again, full recipe in the description. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.